everyone. My name is Dr. Khaja Javed Khan. I am a consultant pain physician at Alleviate Pain and Spine Clinic, Bangalore. Osteoarthritis is a very common joint disease prevalent in India. It affects the knee joint more commonly compared to the other joints. 40 out of every 100 individuals in India suffer from osteoarthritis. Traditionally, osteoarthritis was treated with medicines, exercises, and finally surgery. But now we have a new treatment option for this called as the cooled radiofrequency ablation. Cooled radiofrequency ablation is a technique where high frequency heat energy is used to block the painful nerves around the knee joint, thereby resulting in pain relief. In cooled radiofrequency ablation, we use water-cooled technology to produce a heat lesion around the painful nerves around the knee joint. So this is a model of the knee. There are three specific locations around the knee joint where the nerves are present: 1, 2 and 3. This is a specific needle which goes all the way down from the skin close to the nerves. This produces the lesion at its tip and causes blockage of the painful nerves around the knee joint. This technique is a very simple technique. It does not affect the muscle strength, nor the sensations around the skin, nor the ability to walk. But it does, in most instances, take away the pain around your knee joint. Patients suffering from knee pain lasting for more than 6 months, patients who have severe osteoarthritis and who are not willing to undergo a surgery, and patients who have already undergone a surgery but are still suffering from pain. Cooled radiofrequency ablation is done under local anesthesia. The total duration of the procedure is anywhere between half an hour to 45 minutes, after which the patient can go back home. Initial 2 to 3 days, the patient may have slight pain due to the insertion of needles, and in a couple of weeks of time, the effects of the procedure should start. The patients can resume their normal daily activities the following day itself, barring the injection pain, which would be there for a couple of days. The patients can start doing normal household activities. They can start walking and start going to the office. Cooled radiofrequency ablation is an FDA approved technique for the management of knee pains. In the present COVID times, it is a preferred minimally invasive treatment option. If your near and dear ones suffer from chronic knee pain, please do pay us a visit.